Hello everyone, this is the J-Pen Club. We all know that after every airbrush, timely cleaning is very important. Otherwise, it will cause a clogged pen. Now I'm going to take this SO2O that I just used to demonstrate. In addition to the airbrushes I sprayed, I also need to use this U-shaped pen wash part. It is used to centralize the treatment of waste liquids. The first step is to spray the remaining paint in the kettle. After spraying, add a small amount of pen washing liquid to the kettle. The second step is to plug the nib with a pen cap or soft paper. Pull the trigger. Allow the airbrush to flow back. Rinse the inside of the airbrush and the jug. Spray the waste liquid into the cleaning bottle. Empty the airbrush. Repeat the second step, above, until the reflex shampoo is colorless. It's fine. The third step is to pour some pen wash liquid on the dust-free paper. Wipe the paint inside and outside the jug clean. Even the lacquer on the pen body is wiped clean, by the way. After these three steps, our airbrushes are simply cleaned. That's all for today's video. Goodbye.